Lake Dardanelle State Park is located about 6 miles west of downtown Russellville, Arkansas. The campgrounds are broken up into 3 different areas. You got Area A, which was the area we were in, and its sites 1 through 16. You got Area C, which is going to be sites 25 through 53, which had a few nice looking sites on it. And then Area D, and that's going to be sites 54 through 65. This was the area that was kind of tight getting in there. Oh, good morning, YouTube. We are getting ready to go on a little trip. Just a small one. Not even going out of the state. We're going to go stay at some state parks for the next 4 or 5 days. 5 days. We're going to go to Dardanelle State Park in Russellville. You know, we've been to Dardanelle State Park before camping on the Dardanelle side. Well, this time we're going to do the Russellville side. And then we're going to Jacksonport State Park. And we've been there before, but we haven't ever camped. So this will be something new. We're gonna take the bikes, taking that bike and that bike, and do some mountain bike riding in Russellville. Probably do Old Post, and we're still haven't decided. Y'all look a little kirkered this morning. There we go. Haven't decided if we're gonna do Oida Coal Company or if we're gonna do. Y'all still look kirkered. Or if we're gonna do Mount Nebo. But I'll be sure to take the GoPro, so y'all be watching out for that one. Alright, we're over at the camper, guys. We're here. Getting her ready. So, one of the first things I do is start getting the console set up. And then I go and check tire pressures. I forgot to check the truck's tire pressures before I took off this morning, but they look good right now, so I'm gonna need glasses for this operation. So we're gonna go check some tire pressures. Ooh. These guys run with 80 PSI on them. They're the Goodyear Endurance. And that guy is low. He's about 71. Gonna put some air in him. So I use this little Viair pump for the truck and the camper. I bought a little bitty one. It works great on the cars, but on the truck and the camper, whew, I like to burn it up. This one works really good. Yeah, right about 80. Close enough.
Gone.
And off we go.
Like a herd of turtles.
Herd of turtles.
Herd of turtles.
Oh, we made it. Lake Dardanelle State Park, Russellville. This is the visitor center. There's Mount Nebo. Oh, no, that ain't Mount Nebo.
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
I can't walk.
Oh, you'll learn.
You let me get all loosened up here.
Okay, here's the view from our campsite.
I'm cold.
You're cold?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a jacket.
Are you crazy?
No, I'm not. I'm Teresa.
You're crazy.
I'm Teresa.
You're crazy.
What's that thing sticking out of the water?
That would be a log.
What?
Go down here to the edge of the water.
You're in my picture. I need to move. Right over there.
Number 16 is where we're at. Pretty nice. This is the other side. Big old turkey spider right there. And you get a good view of Nuclear One. Man, it is beautiful. Turkey spider. Oh, bunch of little minnows just broke water there. Ooh, well, good morning, YouTube. This is our first morning at Lake Dardanelle State Park in Russellville, Arkansas. The fog is starting to kind of lift off of the lake now. I came out earlier this morning and got all of that fog sitting on the lake. But we're in site 16, and it's probably the prime spot. I was kind of surprised this spot was even available. Full hookups, water, 50 and 30 amp electric, and sewer. The only kicker to this site is if you have a kind of long camper. I mean, ours is 30 feet. This is a pretty tight turn right here. I had to pull in and then pull the truck up underneath that tree and then back the camper back in. So yeah, it's a good site, but it is a tight little turn to get in there. Kind of almost like it was a backup at one time, and then they just made it into a pull-through. That's what it almost looks like. These are probably two of the best sites. 15. Nope, that's 14. That's number 14. Sorry. But 14 and 16. Yep. These are good sites to go with right here. But it was a little unlevel. We had a level maybe a half an inch side to side. And maybe 3/4 of an inch front to back, so it wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad at all. The butterfly. There's a lot of them monarchs coming through here. They must be migrating. Nope, there's the turtles coming up. Right there, you can see his head. He's wanting his log back, and that bird's up on it. Boy, let's see what happens here. That turtle was on that log, and he got off, I guess, when I came out here. Now the bird's got his log. That turtle's like, dude, that's my log. Get off. This guy fly is pestering me now. Oh, there he went. See if the turtle gets back up there now. Okay, see if he gets back on his log out there. He's getting closer. There he comes. Okay, turtle's back on his log. Okay, we're back at the visitor center to go through it now and do a little shopping.
Okay, get your money ready.
I got it ready, Freddy. My money is ready.
Feed the squirrels.
Yeah. Hi. You're setting the door alarm off.
You need one of them.
You and spiders. What is it with you and these fluffy spiders? There's some canned opossum, some canned frog. There you go.
Yeah, there's that nice.
It's a sad looking deer. Got its ears laid.
Yeah.
Books to read. Birds of Arkansas. Cups. Magnets. Keychains. Oh, here's the stickers. Got fish in that one. Like a catfish. Whew. There's a little frog in there. And a little turtle in there. Fishes in here. Oh, he's getting out. I guess he was yawning. Huh. Arkansas River channel. Oh, it's the blue lights. Oh, look, you got a fireplace out here. Can you go out there? Yep. Dardanelle and the Trail of Tears. Can y'all see that? I ain't gonna read it. We got a beehive too. Look here. Oh, you can see them going in and out of their hive.
Yeah, where are they going when they leave?
I guess to go get some honey or pollen or whatever they collect. I guess they collect pollen. Oh, you can see their honey up in there.
Yeah.
The painting is set in the Arkansas River Valley near what is now Lake Dardanelle State Park. Washburn chose Mount Nebo and the river valley as the landscape for his portrayal of a traveler's humorous encounter with a tattered squatter and his fiddle. Okay, just got back from Old Post doing a mountain bike ride. And now we got this pretty sunset. Look at that. Rainy day at the campground. Yep, that's right, it's raining. It's supposed to stop here in about 30 minutes to an hour. And we're gonna be pulling out of here today. We got to be out of here by noon. Actually, we don't have to be out here till 3. But we got to be at Heber Springs by about, I don't know, 21:30 and 2. And then we got to be at Jacksonport before 5. So, yeah, we're going to try to get out of here by noonish today. Hopefully this rain will stop so we can put everything together and pull out of here. But as you can see, it's a cloudy, rainy morning on Lake Dardanelle. Alright, so they have a little pier out there, but you can't enter it because they're working on it. They got, what do you call them? Picnic tables. Oh, he didn't ever go out on that little pier thing. This is the fishing tournament pavilion. Got a little park, some picnic tables, a bunch of parking over there. Cold. It's cold. It's cold out here. You see some bluffs and stuff over there. See, that's I think where the river goes, is that way. That's the actual Arkansas River going that way. All right, well, there you have it. So that's the old swimming hole. Same swimming hole we used to go to when I was in high school. So this way is the marina and the pavilion. think these are some of their cabins right here that you can rent.
There's a laundry.
Yeah, those are got laundry, and there's like 3 cabins there. Ooh, you got a picnic table down there by the lake. That'd be pretty nice. And then you got picnic tables up here in the trees, a pavilion. Yeah, kayaks for rent. You can also, oh, there's some restrooms over there. So this is the marina. We should be able to see Kitty. No, we're back over here. So that's that other loop A or B, whatever loop that is. I just want to kind of see what these are like back up in here. So that's 54. That's 55 reserve. So I see electric on it. I don't see water. Oh, there's water right there, huh? I don't see sewer. Boy, this is tight in here.
Yeah.
It's 56. 58 right in front of us. They got a little amphitheater over there. And they also have that trail, I think, is over here somewhere. You do have a small, short trail out here. Right up there, I think. I don't know.
Somebody else left.
So here's one that I guess you kind of pull in. It's 60, it's kind of like a pull in a way. Just kind of pull off to the side of the drive. 59. How does 59 work?
What's that? Well, back there.
It's not a pull through though. No,
No.
it's just a back. Man,
The water and electric's over on this side.
pretty short.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to have a short rig for in here. That's gonna be 61. We got 62 here to the right.
That's reserved.
And left. Yeah, a bunch of these are reserved. Probably. Ooh, that would be fun with them trees right there. Huh? 60 something. Ooh.
That one's really short right there.
Man.
That's for one of them bands.
Oh, that's 65. That
Yes.
one.
That's the third
64.
person that's been leaving.
Yeah. That little thing is like short. Roll that window down. You gotta hold it down. There
It's
you go.
not automatic.
It is, but you gotta hold it down for a few seconds. That's 65. It's pretty tight in here.
It ain't for us.
No, we don't like it tight.
We don't do tight. We are not professionals yet.
So that was 54 through 65. There's the trail right there, the Meadowbrook Trail. So this is going to be campsites 25 through 53. We got the camp host right here.
Just be aware.
Oh, okay. Didn't go in the bathroom, so we don't know what they're like. And some of these are pretty good, some of them, but it is kind of tight in here. I mean, like this one, you'd have to come in that way to get these in. This might not be hard to get into. I think you can do it. 38. Wouldn't be too bad. 39's right there. 40. There's a cougar. Specialized. Is that specialized? Yep.
Most of these are reserved. Oh, no, I guess that means they left. If it still has the white card on it.
Yeah. So now we're what? I don't know what sites these are.
1 through 16.
1 through 16. This is the loop we're in, which if I was going to come back, this is where I would come into this loop here because it's more open. And the sites seem to be more modern. And I didn't even notice if that other loop over there had sewer or not.
Oh, people have cleared out.
Yep, they're clearing out. That's what we're fixing to start on.
Yeah, right now it'll seem like a good time.
Yeah, mine's kind of backing off. Well, guys, that'll do it for another one. Thanks for joining us today. And if you've ever stayed at the Lake Dardanelle State Park, let us know what your thoughts are on it. We've stayed at both the Russellville and Dardanelle side. We enjoyed both of them. They both offer a unique camping experience. If you're looking for great views and lakeside amenities, then Russellville is the place to go. But if you're looking for maybe a smaller campground, a little more seclusion, Dardanelle side would be the place to go. But anyways, hope to see you on the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.